When evaluating a limit like this, we can't just plug in the negative infinity in for x because we end up with an indeterminate form. We can try the L'Hopital's rule, but in order to do that, we have to turn this into a quotient. Which brings up the question, do we make x or e to the power of x the denominator? Let's see what happens when we move x to the denominator. We end up with e to the power of x over 1 over x. Taking the derivative of that gives us e to the power of x over negative 1 over x squared. And once we plug in the negative infinity into the x's, we still end up with 0 over 0, which is another indeterminate form. So now let's move e to the x to the bottom. And then differentiating that gives us 1 over negative e to the power of negative x. And if we now plug in negative infinity in for x, we end up with 1 over negative infinity, which is equal to 0, and that's our final answer.